Welcome to Learning Made Easy, free educational resources for children and teachers. This video shows PDF file pages of the entire alphabet, for beginner writers to learn how to form letters correctly, and get some practice at the same time, too. If you want a free PDF file copy sent to you, then please send an email to learningmadeeasy2019@gmail.com. All we ask of you is to please let your friends and family know about LME channel. Please subscribe and like our channel. There will be future free educational resources, paper and videos, for kids, ESL, LD students, teachers and parents.